अगर कोई डिवाइस से धुआं निकले, गर्म हो जाए या उससे गंध आए तो तुरंत विमान कर्मी दल को बताएं। अगर आपकी सीट पर पावर आउटलेट हो तो अपने उपकरणों को उसी से चार्ज करें। धन्यवाद। We request your attention for this important safety information. Regulations do not permit smoking, vaping and the consumption of personal alcohol on this flight. Tobacco use is prohibited on all Indigo flights. Please note that smoke detectors are installed in all lavatories. Mobile phones and other small handheld electronic devices may be used in flight mode only. Please stow your devices for takeoff and landing. Unauthorized usage or removal of any safety equipment, including life vests, and tampering with exits without crew authorization is a punishable offence as it affects the safety of the aircraft. Thank you for your cooperation. Your safety is our top priority. We request you to share this responsibility with us and pay close attention to this demonstration even if you fly frequently. A safety instruction card is available in the seat pocket for your reference. Secure your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end. To open, lift the buckle. It is recommended to keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. In the event of a decrease in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will fall automatically from the panel above. Pull a mask down sharply to initiate oxygen flow. Cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Ensure your mask is secured before helping others. There are 10 emergency exits on this aircraft. 2 at the front, 2 in the middle, 2 at the rear and 4 over the wings. The fluorescent strips along the floor will guide you to the closest exit. For a quick and safe evacuation, please leave your belongings behind and follow crew instructions. In the unlikely event of a water landing, take the life jacket from under your seat. Slip it over your head, secure the strap around your waist. Inflate by pulling the red tab or tabs and to inflate it further, blow into the inflation tube or tubes. Inflate the life jacket just before leaving the main exit doors. If evacuating through an overwing exit, inflate the life jacket after leaving. If the aircraft has slides or slide rafts, board the nearest draft on exit. Tampering with or removing the life jacket without crew authorization is prohibited and punishable. In case of an emergency landing, slides or slide rafts may be deployed. Please read our safety instruction card on how to use the slides or slide rafts. A safety information card and a communication guide are available in Braille. Power banks and lithium batteries can overheat and catch fire. Keep them in your sight and not in overhead bins. Do not use or charge power banks during the flight. If any device emits heat, smoke or an unusual odor, inform cabin crew immediately. You may use in-seat power outlets where available to charge your devices. Thank you for your attention.